Hi everyone and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to install VirtualBox on Ubuntu. So first, let's go to terminal. We're going to type in sudo apt install VirtualBox. We're going to type in our password. And then we're going to say yes. Alright, now we're going to grab the VirtualBox extension pack, and that's sudo apt install VirtualBox tab isn't going to work. That's because I spelled virtual wrong. VirtualBox tab. You can just tab it out when in doubt. ext pack. We're going to say tac y so we don't have to say yes to the prompts. We're going to go okay. We will accept it and then let it install. The extension pack is going to give us USB 2.0 and 3.0 support, remote desktop, and it lets us do a little bit of encryption if you want those features. Okay, from here we need to grab, we're going to create a VM, so grab an ISO of your flavor of OS. I'm going to show you how to grab Linux Mint, Linux Mint. I go to the download section. We're going to grab Cinnamon Edition, and then we're just going to click on one of the mirrors. You can just click the world one and it will start downloading. Going to cancel the download because I already downloaded it to save some time. And it should download to your downloads folder. Okay, so from here, just run VirtualBox. Quick tip is don't run VirtualBox with sudo, run it normally, because when you run it with admin privileges, it runs into a lot of errors and stuff, so just run it with a normal user privilege. So okay, we'll say new. We're gonna say Linux Mint. Let's see if Mint's in here. Nope, that's fine. That's not a big deal. Just say other 64-bit. Next, let's give it 4,000 for 4 gigs, roughly. Create a virtual disk. VDI is fine. Dynamically allocated is fine. Let's give her 15. We'll just double it just to be safe. Create. Go to settings. We'll go to storage. We'll click on the little CD icon and we'll choose a disk file. That'll be in documents, ISOs. There you go. Or my download is. When you download it on the web browser, it'll probably be in downloads like that one is. And then open. Hit OK and click start. Okay. And then we're going to say capture. And you can click the do not show again if you want to, but you don't have to. All you got to do to escape the window is right control. And there you have it. It booted. So from here, let's see if we can do an install. Yep. Install Linux Mint. English. It's fine. Don't need the codecs. You might, depending on whatever you're doing with the VM. Erase it, that's absolutely fine. Your time zone. We're just gonna say tester, and then our password will be password, and your username and such will be whatever you choose. And then let it install. Okay, and at this point, let's do a restart. Let's just power it off and we'll try again. Should start up just fine. And there we go. Password is our password, so okay. So from here, let's insert guest editions, download it. Insert it. Click run. Type in our password. And it should install. Again, guest editions is really nice to have. It just lets us have a higher resolution, lets us copy paste, and it lets us do share folders and stuff like that with the VM. Okay. And with that, let's do a restart. Having some issues, but that could just be the way Linux Mint is restarting. So we'll just power it off and power back on. Okay, password. Okay, awesome. And from here, if you wanted to do a sudo apt update, check Y to update your app repo, you can. Then you can do sudo apt dist tac upgrade tac Y, and this will update the entire operating system, and then from there just do a reboot and everything will be up and running. That's everything. Thank you guys for joining me, and have a great day.